Muslim Americans have built successful careers, thriving businesses, and substantial wealth. But here is the question. Few people are asking, what will remain for the next generation? Individual success, or institutions strong enough to serve thousands of families? Imagine a financial institution owned by its members, guided by ethical values, and created to support home ownership, entrepreneurs, and small businesses. Could a Muslim-owned credit union transform personal success into lasting community strength? From individual success to collective economic strength, Muslim Americans have achieved remarkable success. Muslim Americans have built successful careers and businesses in medicine, technology, law, finance, real estate, entrepreneurship, and many other fields. But individual success is not enough. The larger question is, how can personal wealth and professional success be transformed into lasting economic strength for the wider community? The missing piece is institution building. Strong communities do not depend only on successful individuals. They also build durable institutions that serve generations. 1. Possible idea: a Muslim-owned credit union. A professionally managed credit union could be explored as one way to strengthen the economic infrastructure of Muslim Americans. What is a credit union? A credit union is a member-owned financial cooperative. Members are both customers and owners of the institution. It could provide familiar financial services. Such an institution could potentially offer savings and checking accounts, home financing, automobile financing, business loans, personal financing, and financial education. Islamic ethical principles could guide its direction. Products and financing structures could be explored that reflect Islamic ethical values while fully complying with U.S. laws and regulations. The institution should serve the wider community. The goal should not be to create a financial institution only for wealthy Muslims. Successful professionals could help build something that benefits families, entrepreneurs, young professionals, and small businesses. Shift the question from me to we. Instead of asking only, how can I grow my wealth? The community can also ask, how can we build wealth and opportunity together? Imagine the economic impact. A strong institution could help a young doctor establish a practice, an entrepreneur start a company, a family pursue home ownership, or a small business expand. But creating a credit union is complex. It is not simply a matter of raising money and opening an office. It requires regulatory approval, capital, professional management, technology, compliance systems, and careful planning. Regulatory requirements must come first. A federal credit union would operate under the National Credit Union Administration, while state-chartered institutions would follow relevant state regulatory systems. A feasibility study should be the first major step. Before launching anything, experts should examine membership structure, charter options, market demand, capital needs, Islamic finance considerations, staffing, technology, and financial projections. Strong startup capital is essential. New financial institutions require significant resources during their early years. The objective should be to build a strong financial foundation rather than simply reach a minimum threshold. This is institution building, not fundraising. Financially successful Muslims can contribute more than money. Their expertise, professional networks, leadership, credibility, and time may be equally important. Professional excellence must be non-negotiable. The institution should be transparent, secure, competitive, technologically advanced, and professionally managed. Good governance is essential. Experienced professionals in banking, finance, law, accounting, cybersecurity, compliance, and business should help guide the organization. Good intentions alone are not enough. A digital-first model could reduce costs. Instead of beginning with many physical branches, a modern credit union could focus on online banking, mobile services, digital financing applications, and financial education. Start with a small, qualified organizing group. Perhaps 10 to 20 experienced Muslim Americans could initially come together, not to write large checks, but to seriously investigate whether the idea is viable. The goal is to build something that outlives us. Imagine 25 years from now, Thousands of families using an institution created by today's generation, entrepreneurs receiving financing, businesses growing, and future generations inheriting not only wealth, but strong community institutions. We have spent generations building individual success in America. Perhaps the next chapter is about building institutions. The first step is not writing a check. It is bringing together the right people, asking the difficult questions, and determining whether we can build something excellent, sustainable, and worthy of future generations. A Muslim-owned credit union remains an idea for discussion and feasibility study. Any actual institution would require appropriate legal structuring, regulatory approval, capitalization, and professional management.